Well, thank you very much, Mr. Mayor, and the rest of the council there. I brought some different handouts that I put out there. You should have some in front of you, but also brought some for everyone that's in attendance to pick up. But a simple little brochure on business planning. We know that if businesses are closed after a natural disaster for very long, a lot of them never open. And being a community like ours funded on sales tax, it's important to get those back open as quickly as possible. So we do have a plan there to get started. Plus, we know folks here love their pets, so it's really important to include pets in your preparedness and what we can do for them. And then we have a quick little thing here that's included with the agenda that kind of gives some different ideas and some different plans that you can put together to prepare your family. For those with little ones at home, we have Prepare with Pedro. It's a fun little coloring book with different types of disasters in it to teach little kids how to get ready. And what we find is a lot of times people really feel like they have to have this big giant backpack or go through all this stuff to put together an emergency kit to prepare themselves. And so what I did was just throw together a small little kit here just to show everybody that we're not talking about anything massive and you have to spend a lot of money on. So, the size of a shoebox here, I think I got the little tub at Sam's one day to organize some stuff. And then really important to write down important phone numbers. Your cell phone's not always going to work, and I don't memorize phone numbers like I used to when I was little. So having those, having some simple copies of some important documents, Social Security card, your passport, stuff like that, so that the tornado does come through and take out your house, you can still find this kind of stuff. And this is just small enough it fits underneath the bed. So threw in some other simple items here just to give you something to think about, something to write down. If you take prescription medications, having some sort of a backup of those so that you can do that. They may not be able to buy things with your debit card, credit card, so having some cash can be handy so you can run down to 7-Eleven, pick up a few of the things you may need. Obviously, toilet paper goes without saying. And then a small first aid kit, maybe some matches. I've got a small poncho here and a little survival blanket to wrap up, keep you warm, depending on what may be happening. It goes without saying, some food and some water. I went and raided the pantry, so I got a couple of water bottles and some beef jerky in here. Something like this, just a simple weather radio that also has a hand crank on it so that you can spin it around, speed it up, and then you can charge your cell phone from it. Having some basic tools to shut off your utilities. So you have gas that's spraying into your house, if you can shut that off until somebody can come in and check that out. Just a small little thing like this, take an afternoon, put it together, is going to make you much more prepared should some sort of disaster happen to you there. So with that, thank you all very much for your time, and I hope this was beneficial.